you guys, I have come to meet my friends, these trees, mountains and rivers. We are not sitting inside and overthinking the worst case scenarios. We are going out and meeting the trees and letting the fresh air show us the highest good, the highest solution, the most positive solution. And let's take the energy from the fresh air, the inspiration from the fresh air. Fresh air fills us up with inspiration, creativity, solution, strength. You know, when my mom was passing, coming out in fresh air every day for a walk, even late at night, that what helped me, you know. I want to walk in this world knowing that God's got me. Mother Earth got me like 100%. Like I know they are looking after me so well. I want to walk in this world with that knowing, like with my chin up, with my head held high, even though my last 2 months of rent is pending. And still knowing that this situation is only for the positive. And I have also told God that God, if you want to see me happy, see me play more, have more fun, then you better send like 5 years of rent money and my grocery money and in my bank account. Like I want to see that money in my bank account so that I can be playful, because I have spent enough time stressed. My body needs to be calm, and that kind of money will calm me. And that kind of money God is capable of sending me right now. Like right now. Bring magic in your life with my magic paintings. This painting says, dearest God, dearest Mother, thank you for guiding me. Thank you for leading my way. When you live around this painting, the way you start to move in this world very bravely, confidently, courageously, you would find yourself becoming most braver, bolder, confident version of yourself. And it's just so much divine guidance and peaceful energies into your life. Super powerful. Super. You can't miss the magic. You can't. I'm telling you, you cannot. Okay. Also, you can hire me and I will channel a customized magic painting uniquely for you. A painting that will bring lot of success, high vibrations, good energies, power, love, and like sacred, peaceful, pure energies into your life. It's so powerful, and I'm gonna put my phone inside for charging. But before that, I want to say a prayer. Number one, may God keep my mobile phone always protected. Yeah, another thing is, may God always only put me around people who are kind-hearted, very generous, very loving, and like really good people. Good people who will really keep around whom my body can relax. And my internal and I can just relax, because we are very psychic. If someone is, not having good intentions, we can feel it. That's why we can always, if we are around that people, we will always feel uneasy and all of those things. So I want to be only around people now from moving forward, around whom my body can deeply calm. I can deeply relax. So much so I relax so much that I start playing, because play can only happen when we are in a relaxed mood, So I just want to be around people like that, and in an environment that are safer for me. Everybody in my lineage lives around people that they will feel panic around, like the people who are speaking poor things over their life. Like parents will keep telling their children, like, you know what, you will never be able to do anything, you will never be amount to nothing, you will never be able to make money, you will die hungry. So if you live around people like that who are constantly saying this kind of things, it's not good, and the home environment, the relatives, the neighbors are constantly speaking poor things over your life. That's not good, who are robbing you of your creativity. No, we deserve to live in an environment which feels safer for us, which is very supportive of our unique essence, our unique magic, The environment wherein our health flourish, our creativity flourish, our money flourishes, our our happiness flourishes, the playfulness inside of us comes out. We need to be living in those kind of environments and around those kind of people. And choosing a life partner, choosing friends, it should be like that, like these people who are going to be closest to us, they should be like that, safer, but also generally like the environment, people in our environments should be, and that's why it's very necessary to surround yourself with people who really love themselves. Like people who love themselves, they will not harm you. They will not harm you because they know, because if they want peace and joy in their life, they can never have it if they put misery onto anybody, if they lie to other people, cheat them, deceive them, hurt them in any way. No, they can't be peaceful. So the people who love themselves, they will be in their integrity. If they make a mistake, they will apologize. They will come to you with an apology, and they will bring that good energy. Living around people who are in love with themselves, it reflects onto you. Like that energy will also like start to inspire you. Anyway, girl has too much wisdom to share that is worth millions. Okay, I'm talking about this girl, your girl. Her name is Jyoti. She has a lot of fairy magic inside of us. Yeah. And Mother Earth speaks through us. Mother Earth shares her golden wisdom through her, to her other children. Book a one-on-one intuitive guidance session with me for deeper levels of guidance, psychic, intuitive, and also like my one month of mentorship and 12 weeks of mentorship will support you a lot if you want to grow beyond your limiting beliefs, like things like, oh my god, I'm not good enough, I'm not gifted enough, I have nothing to offer to the world, or the poverty mindset. If you want to rise beyond them and step into your power, I'm your girl, I'm your mentor. Book a one-on-one intuitive guidance session with me. And if you want spiritual guidance, psychic guidance, then my coaching over video call or audio session, that is also available. Link of everything is in my bio.